Success. It's a word that echoes in the hearts of many, a beacon of ambition and achievement. We all yearn to unlock our full potential, to reach for the stars and leave our mark on the world. But the path to success is not always clear, often shrouded in uncertainty and doubt. The good news is that success is not a matter of luck or circumstance. It's not a prize reserved for a select few. Success is a result of conscious choices, consistent effort, and an unwavering belief in oneself. It's about identifying your strengths, setting clear goals, and taking consistent action towards your dreams. This essay will equip you with actionable tips and tricks to navigate the path to success. We'll explore the power of a positive mindset, the importance of setting clear goals, and the significance of continuous learning and habit formation. By implementing these strategies, you can unlock your true potential and achieve remarkable things. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and never stop striving for greatness. Your journey to success starts now. Your mindset is the foundation upon which your success is built. A positive, growth-oriented mindset can empower you to overcome obstacles, embrace challenges, and persevere even in the face of setbacks. Conversely, a negative mindset can sabotage your efforts, holding you back from reaching your full potential. Cultivating a positive mindset starts with believing in yourself. Recognize your inherent worth and your capacity for growth. Embrace challenges as opportunities for learning and development. When faced with setbacks, view them as temporary hurdles, not permanent roadblocks. One powerful technique to cultivate a positive mindset is through affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself regularly. For instance, you might say, "I'm capable of achieving my goals," or "I'm worthy of success." By repeating these affirmations, you can reprogram your subconscious mind for success, boosting your self-belief and confidence. Remember, your mindset is a choice. Choose to focus on the positive, to believe in yourself, and to embrace the journey. With a positive mindset as your compass, you'll be well on your way to unlocking extraordinary success. Imagine embarking on a journey without a destination in mind. You might wander aimlessly, making little progress. The same applies to success. Without clear goals, you lack direction. Setting clear goals provides a roadmap, guiding your actions. Identify your passions and aspirations. What excites you? Break your vision into smaller, manageable goals. These smaller goals serve as milestones, providing motivation. Ensure your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Embrace flexibility and adjust your course as needed. Embrace continuous learning. Expand your knowledge and skills. In today's world, the pursuit of knowledge is a lifelong endeavor. Embrace continuous learning to thrive in any field. Read, attend workshops, take online courses, and engage with experts. The more you learn, the more you grow. Successful entrepreneurs are avid learners. They stay ahead by learning about market trends and technologies. Continuous learning helps them adapt and make informed decisions. Learning is not confined to formal education. It can happen anywhere, anytime. Embrace curiosity and never stop seeking new knowledge. Building a solid foundation is crucial for any successful endeavor. Think of it as constructing a house. Without a strong foundation, the structure won't stand regardless of how well it's built. In the context of personal and professional development, this foundation includes your core values, education, and the network of relationships you cultivate. These elements work together to stabilize your growth and ensure sustainability in your career. Start by identifying and solidifying your core values. What principles guide your decisions? Next, focus on acquiring knowledge and skills that align with your goals. Lastly, invest time in building meaningful relationships. These connections can provide support, advice, and opportunities that are vital for long-term success. Embracing the journey of personal and professional growth is essential. It's not just about the destination, but also about the experiences and lessons learned along the way. Celebrate small victories. They are stepping stones to greater achievements. Be resilient. Challenges and setbacks are inevitable, but they teach us valuable lessons and make us stronger. Most importantly, enjoy the process. Passion and positivity are powerful drivers of success. When you love what you do, it shows in your work, and ultimately, the rewards will follow. Keep pushing forward, stay committed, and the results will speak for themselves.